Hi everyone, this is Elvin from Time Central. Today we are going to talk about the visitor management. There are two ways to doing it. First, if you don't have the visitor information registered in the BIOTEMP machine, BIOTEMP will also take the temperature of the visitor. Second, if you wish to keep a record of the visitor, you can add the visitor information on the mobile app. So this is the user interface of the Time Central mobile apps. It only takes seconds to register the visitor information. Let me show you how to do it. Fill in all the information. Once you have registered the visitor information, select Face Device, Register. Now the BIOTEMP machine is ready for capture the face and push it to the crowd. You can also set up a tablet for the visitor self-service, or any employee from the office can assist the visitors. Thank you. Hi, this is Elvin. Let me show you how quick is the whole process. So it will only take 1 second to capture my face and measure the temperature, push the data to Time Central. So this is my last record. Click on the fetch button. So now you can see this is the latest. So let me demonstrate how is the SafeEntry App work with the visitor. After measure temperature, use your mobile camera, scan on the QR code for the SafeEntry. There you go.